Hey everyone! Welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unmute story on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you've ever muted someone on Facebook story, you may have found yourself missing out on their stories. While muting can be a great way to filter out unwanted content, it can also lead to you missing out on important updates from your friends and family. In this video, I will show you how to unmute a story from someone on Facebook, both on your computer and on your mobile device. To unmute a story on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile or facebook.com on your computer. Then, tap on a 3 horizontal line on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Now, Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. After that, scroll down and tap Stories. Now, tap on Stories you have muted. From here, tap on Mute next to the name of the person or page you want to unmute. The person or page's stories will now appear in your feed again. You can also directly unmute someone's story from that person's profile or stories. For that, first, go to the person's profile and tap on the profile picture to view stories. After viewing a story, tap on the 3 dots menu from the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on Unmute Story. Again, tap on Unmute to confirm. This is exactly how you unmute someone's stories on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.